Alright, so I have my SRAM Eagle GX 1052 tooth. So I'm going to remove this and I'm going to put it on a Eagle GX 1050 tooth. So a little bit taller gearing, because that 52 tooth is just, I think it's too, the gearing is just too low. It's like, you know, it's good for like 5-road climbs, but I really don't do 5-road climbs. And it's good for like a what do you call it, for a enduro bike. You know, for a heavier bike. Well, actually, my bike's pretty heavy. My trail bike is pretty heavy. It's just about as much weight as an enduro bike, I think. Almost. My what do you call it? My Privateer141 is pretty heavy. So let's see. So I need a cassette holding tool. It's gonna spin this direction. So let me think. I need to go like this. Something like that. Something somewhere. No, that's not gonna work. That's too far. Is that too far? Well, who knows? That might work. Get my cassette remover and my other little tool here. Oops. That worked. Nope, that didn't work. Go a little bit closer then. I don't think this cassette removing tool is. Well, actually, I don't think it's changed. Has the pin length change? You know, the pin to pin on a chain, has it changed? Because this worked on 9-speed. This is a Part 2 SR2. So this was 9-speed, 8-speed. You know, so now we have 12-speed. Has that pin distance changed at all? I don't even know. So let me know, because when I'm wrapping this thing around the chain, with the chain around this, it doesn't quite fit. It feels like it's a little bit too. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, it doesn't quite fit. Maybe it's the width, the spacing on the width is different. Whatever the case, it doesn't really quite fit. Okay, so that didn't work. I need to push this down here. Damn it! Did the thing just move on me? Oh, it is stripped. I thought it's stripped. Is this the right tool? Yeah, it's the right tool. This is also a FR5, which is the older am I doing this right? I don't want to strip this thing. No, wait a minute. No, that's the whole whatchamacallit? That's the whole cassette right there. Why does this not feel right? Something doesn't feel right. Something didn't feel right. Let's see. Yeah, that's right. This thing's supposed to spin. Spin. That's right. It's supposed to spin. It's not spinning. It's not staying put. That's the problem. How is it not staying put? Oh shit, you know what? I'm spinning it the wrong way. No wonder why. I'm like, jeez. What the hell was it? What the hell was it like so hard to remove? Because it's spinning the wrong way. Billy. That was dumb. That's really dumb. Okay. spinning it the right way. Hopefully I didn't freaking strip it or something. I don't think I did. Oh, it's tight. That's more snug. And that's why the newer version of these things, they have a little shaft pin in there. So that way it fits into the axle hole, so it stays put. It doesn't, you know, it doesn't pop off easily. The whole cassette body is spinning. You see the whole cassette body in there spinning, so I guess it's supposed to keep on spinning then. Now, I've never taken one of these newer 12 speeds off before. At least the 12-speed XD drive off. Obviously, the last one I taken off was the NX version. The NX version is it doesn't use the XD drive. It uses the NX version uses the NX version uses the old Shimano what do they call it, 10 speed or 11 speed, whatever it is. Okay, this whole thing is one piece. That's interesting. I was wondering how it worked. Okay, anyways, so that's off. I'm not gonna touch this. Everything's as is. I'm just gonna stick this one on because there's already grease here. There's already grease in here in the new one. So I'm just gonna spin this one on and call it good. Let's see. So that's interesting. So it comes off as one whole piece. I thought it was gonna be like the old drive, like the old Shimano drive, where it's separate. Oh yeah, these new GX ones, they're all pinned together, so this whole thing is one piece. That's why it's lighter than the Shimano style design, where we have individual sprockets or cogs. Okay, so let's spin this on. How do you spin this on? Is there a certain spline, or is it all universal? Let's see. No, all the spacing looks the same. So you spin it on, I guess. Okay. Fits in that first spline. Let's see if this works. I think this is a 1 inch. I don't think I have a 1 inch socket wrench. Be easy to use a socket wrench. So this whole outer shell body spins with it. That's interesting. So the only thing that's really holding it is that last spline in the end. Then, that's what's holding it against the hub body. Because the hub body, because this screws on, but it doesn't really screw. But it doesn't really screw on. If you get my drift. Yeah, put the hub body ratchets. Okay, that's good right there. Okay, that's it. So it's on. I'll just put this wheel back on, and hopefully everything works out. Okay, so doesn't look much different from the 52, but you can see the difference here between the 42, because both of these have to share a 42. I think both of these, the rest of the sprocket, I think it's the same size or the same teeth. The only truck sprocket that's different, or cog that's different, is the biggest one. So you see my pinky basically it's the width of my pinky over here, but this one is wider than my pinky. So I can put my pinky there, and it basically it goes my pinky. The end of my pinky hits the this 42 tooth tip, and it just about covers the 50 tooth. Just about, you can barely see the 50 tooth teeth coming out. Whereas this one here, put my pinky there, and you can still see the whole teeth exposed. So that's a difference in diameter of the two. All right, so that's it. So that's an easy change. You don't have to take off individual cogs. Actually, I like that. That's actually easier than the Shimano. The Shimano one, the thing I don't like about Shimano one is that, you know, they have the individual cogs. I don't like that. It's like you know, it's a little bit harder to put on and take off, and, you know, more little parts. It's heavier. So this design is lighter. That's a pretty cool design. I like that. All right, thanks for watching.